Hey guys, Sahira here, and I am here today to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes at the Belly Dance Bundle. So for those of you who have been following along, that you know that it is bundle season, and this is one of my favorite times of year. This is where the Belly Dance Bundle comes out for 1 week only and allows you to grab an insanely incredible collection of online belly dance classes from some of the top names in the industry for a fraction of the price. Yeah, so today I want to give you a sneak peek because I got my bundle yesterday and I have been spending some time going through what is there, redeeming all of my great content, and diving in. And let me just tell you, it's kind of insane. So let's check this out. So here's the bundle page, right? And it tells you this year there are 46 contributors, over 125 hours of belly dance content. And let me tell you, the content that they put together here is not just sort of a random hodgepodge of stuff. It's incredibly curated. Look at these instructors. This is amazing, this lineup here. I mean, we have Aziza, Florence, oh my gosh, Mercedes Nieto is part of this, or Reet Shahzad. This is an incredible bundle, and these instructors are amazing. Now, this is just the dance courses. Then there's also a lecture bundle, and these are all education that is above and beyond what we typically get in the classroom with movement. All of these instructors are included in the bundle. It's for sale for just 1 week in total, and it is 88% off of the regular price. So when you do the math, it's $2 per hour of learning. And if you compare that to what you can normally get for $2 in this world, you will see that it is an incredible deal. So let's click over to my bundle so I can just give you a little bit of a sneak peek as to how it works once you purchase the bundle. Once you purchase the bundle, you get immediate access to your classes. Now, not all the classes are available as of yet. Some of them are slowly trickled out over time so that you don't end up with like 48 classes all at once, overwhelmed and not knowing what to do. Once you get in there, you get all of these different classes with your access and redemption instructions, the course description. I'm really excited about this study in Shabi. I've already redeemed it and I already have access to those videos, and I could start right now. I could binge watch belly dance online instructional content for like the next 3 months probably and still not be done. So once you start to scroll through, you see all of the instructors. It'll give you the access instructions, the course descriptions, and you can keep track of what it is that you have redeemed, what you have not redeemed. That way you can kind of keep track. Now this right here is just the dance courses, right? So we have all the dance courses, of which there are at least 30, I believe. And then we go over to the lecture classes. So here is the lecture bundle, and this is incredible. This stuff is a gold mine in my opinion because it's very easy in some ways to find movement classes when it comes to belly dance, but it is really challenging to find lecture classes that talk about history, culture, costuming, and more. So you can see here the lecture bundle is amazing. They have a number of different instructors. This one I'm super excited about. Improved performance and injury prevention for belly dancers. As a not so young belly dancer, injury prevention is top on my mind all of the time. These lectures often will happen live in the next few months with a recording available. And so you have the opportunity to attend live and to interact with the instructor, or you can just watch the recording once it's made available. And here's the thing, like, don't freak out that you're gonna sign up for the bundle, get all of these classes, and then be left to like swim through it on your own. One, the Belly Dance Bundle provides you with a guide as to how to use the bundle, and it provides you with even some of the bundle classes will help you decide what you need to be practicing so you can figure out where to go in the bundle from there. So it's an all-in-one resource to help you not only have access to the material, but figure out how the heck you're going to use it, right? And then when it comes to the lectures, not all of them happen right away. Not all of them are available right now. As you scroll down here, you can see this lecture is going to be on the 15th of November, and there are some other lectures that will be happening a little bit later in the year or even next year, and these will all be sent to you via email reminders that the lecture is happening. Some of the lectures are online. Like I said, some of them you can get recorded later on. And so all of these will let you know. Most of the bundle content is lifetime access. So once you have purchased the bundle and you've redeemed your content, you can watch it now, you can watch it next month, you can watch it next year, you can watch it whenever you want, right? over and over and over again. Some of these need to be redeemed by a certain time. So you'll see this Belly Dancers call to action, which I'm super excited about, to be redeemed by March 15th. And when there is a deadline, the bundle and Tiffany will remind you that the deadline is coming up, so they don't want you to miss anything at all. So you have all your redemption information, belly dance bra fitting, mad about mod. There's Cultural Appropriation 101. This is amazing by Ezra Warda. The content this year is absolutely insane. And I've been telling my students, a lot of this stuff you're not going to get with your regular weekly class. And even though now the internet has opened up to all these dancers and everyone's online teaching, I don't know about you, but sometimes for me it's a little bit overwhelming to figure out where I'm going to go next. And it's hard to know who has good quality classes and who might not. And so the bundle's done all the hard work for you. They've gone through, they've looked at these dancers, they've curated the content, they've made sure that what you are getting is top-notch quality from some of the most amazing instructors in the industry, and they're gonna help walk you through taking these classes and leveling up your dance in a way that's just not possible if you're only studying locally. So this is insane. So take a look at this video that'll give you a little bit more detail about what the bundle is about, and then stick around after that and I will give you an exclusive sneak peek to some video footage from my class. I've added to the bundle this year a belly dance drum solo, which I'm super excited about. It's about 6 weeks worth of content that'll keep you moving every single week, as well as a section on emotional content and theatricality. So stick around so that you can get a little bit of a combination from my Move belly dance drum solo. The Belly Dance Bundle is only available until Wednesday, October 28th, so you've got to jump on this opportunity now. After that, it disappears, and this collection of classes will never be available again. Let me tell you, it is going to revolutionize the way that you practice. It's going to give you structure and an exact idea of what it is that you are going to be learning over the next few months, and it's going to keep you motivated to come back and learn more and more, because there is so much variety with such an incredible number of instructors. And these people, they're the real deal. They really know their stuff. I think you're really going to enjoy it. If you would like to learn more about the bundle, just go to sahirabellydances.com/bundle so that you can check it out for yourself. And if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. I would love to help you through it. This is my 3rd year participating with the bundle, and it is a program that I really, truly believe in, and it is the way that I continually level up my dance as a professional dancer. So I hope that you will enjoy, and I will see you in the bundle. 2, 3, 4. Maya, Ami, roll up, drop. So how do we make all of those flow one to another? The trick to transitions and finding flow is choosing where within each movement you are going to transition to the next movement, because every movement has lots of different areas and muscle contractions you go through. It's finding which area, which muscle contraction smoothly leads you to the next one. Yeah, so let's look at your right side here. You're gonna do those 4 bumps totally based in the knee. And then when I get ready to do the Maya, I'm gonna bend the knee, I'm gonna engage in my right oblique and push up, over, down. From here, I'm gonna bring the hip right back underneath me, so I'm not trying to start my Ami out here. I bring it up. My Ami on this side is going to go counterclockwise. So it's gonna go back, right, tuck in. Back, right, tuck in. So here's our Ami. It is a regular old Ami, but we are standing on one foot, so it feels a little funky, yeah? So it's going to start from the back. I've brought my hip in. I'm releasing back, lifting, tucking here on the right side, pulling in and release. So that's my Ami. I'm going to begin my roll up from the tuck in my Ami, because then I'm already partway there. So I've done this Ami, I've come to the tuck. From here, I'm going to drop the chest, lift the chest, and then I'm all set up for the drop. right? Maya, or hit times 4, Maya, Ami, roll up, drop. Yeah, up, 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 up. Retract, up and over, around to the back first. When you make it to the front, reverse undulation, drop. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So same idea, when you're on your left side, you're gonna get those 4 hip hits that are largely knee driven. Retract back down to do your Maya, up, out, and over. Once you make it out, bring it back in to do your Ami that is going to go clockwise, starting to the back. So you come in, you release back, you squeeze up left, squeeze to the front, and then from here, you're going to do that reverse undulation and drop. So you've finished your Ami in this position, drop the chest, lift the chest, drop the chest for that accent, right? Again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, Maya, up, over, down, Ami to the back, roll up, and drop. Yes? So, take it nice and slow. Let's try the different sides a few times just to feel the flow of how it works one into the other. Let's do that left side again. Here we go, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retract, Maya, Ami to the back, roll up, and drop. Let's do the right side. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retract, Maya, Ami, roll up, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maya, Ami, roll up, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maya, Ami, roll up, drop. Is that making sense? So think about the connector pieces between the different parts. Really use the muscles to create the section and make it look nice and clean. You really have to muscle through those movements, right? So I'm using my knee mostly to create those 4 ups. I'm engaging in my oblique. I'm pushing out, over, and down. I'm releasing to the back, always gently, and I'm squeezing in the oblique, squeezing in the hip flexor, and then creating that reverse undulation, doing the muscles in my abdomen, right? Tuck, tuck, lift, and that drop, if you'd like a nice sharp drop, instead of disengaging and releasing the lift, you can actually think about engaging in the upper abdominals and creating a harder drop or a lock by imagining kind of knitting the rib cage together.